Greetings everyone, SYGTECH is here, this is Stefan, welcome back. In today's video, I have something very cool as always. This is a follow-up video from my previous video. Start RC sent a hard case, which I already did a video, so if you want to protect your DJI Mini 5 Pro, check the video descriptions down below, it's pretty cool. Also, along with the case, they sent filters for your DJI Mini 5 Pro. In the box you'll find a cleaning cloth, which is very essential in my opinion, and let me show you the set. So we have ND16, ND64 and CPL. Build quality actually is pretty cool. I do like the case. It's a kind of magnet, I believe, and it's very nice to use. Also, it's going to give you protection of the ND filters. Talk about protections. The build quality of the filters are pretty good, so they are weather proof, so you can use them outside in the rain. They're scratch resistant as well, so this is going to give you benefits to use them pretty much everywhere. Think of those filters as a sunglasses for your camera. They help control light and reflections to get professional cinematic look in your video. Probably wonder what ND stands for. ND stands for natural density. Those filters are like tinted glass for your camera. If you already own the DJI Mini 5 Pro, you'll have a set of ND filters in the box. That's a great news. So you can combine all those ND filters, which I think it's a fantastic thing. You're gonna be prepared for any situation outside. So if the ND8 is weak, you always can use the ND16, which is fantastic. And the same with the ND32. If ND32 is weak, you can use the ND64. So I think it's a great thing to have both sets in your bag. Now let's talk about the CPL filter. So CPL stands for circular polarized filter. This filter does two things that the ND filters do not. First, reduces reflections. It cuts glare and reflections from non-metallic surfaces like water, glass and leaves. Second, boosts colors and contrasts, increases saturations, making the colors pop. To maximize the use of the CPL filter, make sure to rotate the outer ring until the reflection or glare disappears. To attach the CPL or ND filter to your Mini 5 Pro, it's very simple. Let me show you. So just grab your CPL or ND filter and just attach it to the lens. You're gonna hear like a click, and this is how you attach the CPL or ND filter. I prefer the old way where you twist the lens and you attach it properly. This way it's a little bit fiddly in my opinion. How to remove the CPL or ND filter: hold the gimbal, don't put pressure, and just lift on the top, and as you can see, the CPL filter it's removed now. So this is how you attach your CPL or ND filter to your Mini 5 Pro. Let's check some of the settings of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. If you wonder why the video looks overexposed, the reason is because we are using the Pro mode on the DJI Mini 5 Pro. If you're using ND filters, CPL filters, you have to aim for the 180-degree rule. Let me explain. So if you shoot in 20 frames per second, your shutter speed should be 1/50 of the second. If you use 30 frames per second, your shutter speed should be 1/60 of the second, and so on and so forward. For 60 frames per second, your shutter is 1/120. So you get the point. Let me show you the settings now. As you can see, ISO is 100, shutter speed is 1/60. Because we are using 4K 30 frames per second, I choose to use 30 frames per second. It's totally up to you. As you can see, the white balance is 54,000 kelvins. Again, this will change, depends of the day. Also D-Log M. If you want to get most of the DJI Mini 5 Pro, use D-Log M. That's completely fine if you use normal or standard mode. And now let me show you if you use ND filter. So I'm gonna grab ND16, and as you can see, the footage looks overexposed, but when I put the ND filter, as you can see, changes. Let's try with the ND64, and as you can see, that changes as well. It's dark. So again, you have to play with the ND filters. I think ND16 looks great in my opinion. We have to be careful, we don't want to put pressure on the gimbal. As you can see, it's dark, but again, you can play with the white balance, 200 white balance, 100. No, so you get the point. Use the 180-degree rule in a different situations. If it's very bright outside, if it's cloudy, but this is how you get the cinematic look with the DJI Mini 5 Pro while you're using ND filters. There we have it, guys. ND16, 64 and CPL by Start RC. Link in the descriptions down below. Also stay tuned because they sent another product for review, which I'm super excited to test and share with you guys. I do recommend this product because it's very good. Price is very good as well, and you get a quality glass for your DJI Mini 5 Pro. If you have any questions, guys, leave it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.